What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And today we have something that you've been asking for, and you've been asking for it a lot. And that has been more Craftsman tools, and you've been wanting to see more of their made in the USA with global materials lines. Now, this is their V20 Brushless half-inch hammer drill kit. We're going to unbox it. We're going to take a look. We're going to give you some first impressions about how I feel about this tool, and it's coming right up. So as you can see, it is Craftsman. It's brushless. It has 60% more runtime, probably because it's brushless. Pretty impressive, 400 unit watts out of power. Now, what does that mean in everyone else's terms, which would be inch-pounds or pound-feet of torque? I can't tell you that. Why can't I tell you that? Because there's no simple way of converting unit watts out to foot-pounds or inch-pounds. There's no way to do it. But if you wanted to have an idea of what 400 unit watts out of power looks like in action, go to this video here. Concrete drilling, because it is a hammer drill, and it's got a metal ratcheting chuck. Pretty cool. It does have a 3-year limited warranty. It is 20-volt max. Chuck size is half-inch. Max power, like we talked about, is that 400 unit watts out. That is a Stanley Black & Decker unit of measurement when it comes to their drill drivers and their hammer drills. RPM is 0 to 600 in speed 1, 0 to 2100 in speed 2. Beats per minute, 35,700 beats per minute. You know, if you're a DJ, you trying to imagine trying to mix that together, 35, oh my Lord. And the weight is 2.8 pounds. We're gonna verify all that, because that's what we do. All righty. The 3-year limited warranty says if a product fails to perform due to defects in material or workmanship, we will repair or replace it. Proof of purchase required. 90-day satisfaction guarantee. See CRAFTSMAN.com or call 888-331-4569 for details. That's about it. So I guess pretty much what we're seeing here is that it's a tool, battery, and charger warranty of 3 years. It is VersaTrack compatible. It does have a LED work light, but instead of me reading it off the box, how about we get it open? I'm going to use my Power 3. This is made in the USA with global materials, Spyderco knife. Love this thing. Yo, if you wanted to pick up your own Power 3 Spyderco knife, I'll put a link down in the description below. Everybody asks me, where do you get that at? Where do you get it? I like them knives, blah, blah, blah. I'll put a link down below for you to get your own Power 3. Everybody's been asking for it. We open the box, and out comes, of course, a bag. I will say this. We've had quite the experience with our Craftsman made in USA with global materials impact driver. Very formidable. That's why we're so keen on getting this hammer drill. If you want to see how that impact driver performs, go to this video here. I will say, I like the bag. It's got a nice little rivet here, as well as single bar tack stitching. Feels pretty good. I like this little rubber tool made in the USA with global materials. Of course, it says tool made in the USA with global materials because that means that the batteries are probably made in Japan or China, because quite frankly, when it comes to lithium-ion batteries, that's where they're all made. Okay? Deal with it. We also have the instructions here. Here's the batteries. First battery. I'm going to tell you this much right now. This kit retails at Lowe's Home Improvement. We picked this up for 180 bucks. Here's the deal on that, Craftsman. We like your tools. The only problem is that for $180, I feel like you can at least throw in one 4-amp, one 2-amp battery, or two 4-amp-hour batteries. Hashtag just saying on that. Cells made in Korea, pack assembled in China, in case you're wondering. So, yes, made in America with global materials for the tool, not the batteries. I had to go pop the batteries on the charger, at least one of them, because this tool is going to be what we call a tool test raw. Matter of fact, it's already been in a tool test raw by the time you're watching this. If you wanted to see what a tool test raw is and how this tool performed against maybe another made in the USA with Lowe materials hammer drill driver, go to this playlist here. Go to that video there. I'm not certain what's going to be there, but it's going to be something for you to watch. Check it out. Checking out of the bag is the CRAFTSMAN charger. This is their V20 V12 charger. So that means that there's going to be a 12-volt CRAFTSMAN line, or there is a 12-volt CRAFTSMAN line. Does anybody know? Is there a 12-volt CRAFTSMAN line right now? Leave it down in the comment section below if you know, because I'm not certain. Nick, is there a 12-volt CRAFTSMAN line?
Yeah, I think so.
Nick thinks so, but we're not certain. Okay, out is the charger, and just for confirmation's sake, you might be wondering where this made in the USA with Lowe materials tool is. This charger comes from Thailand. Okay? Nick, you know what the capital of Thailand is?
Bangkok.
It is Bangkok. Out of the bag is this CRAFTSMAN hammer drill. Now, here's the deal. They give you a belt clip, pretty cool. They give you this silica pack. Make sure you do not pop this in your mouth, okay? It seems pretty nice. I like the idea there's a metal chuck here. I guess because of the only 400 unit watts out, they don't give you a handle because I guess they figure it's not required. The selector clutch feels pretty positive from drill to hammer drill, and then our clutch settings, which goes all the way up to 14. So that means you have 13, 14. So 14 clutch settings, the drill setting, and then hammer drill setting. So that's a total of what? 16 settings. Not bad. We have our little LED light down here below, but you know how I roll. I can't not install my belt clip. I like a belt clip installed. Okay. Feels pretty good. I will say this. I've felt a lot of switches in my time, and this is a good feeling switch. Very good. This is also a 2-speed drill. It takes some effort from speed 1 and speed 2, but at least you know it's not going to pop out of gear. Pretty cool. Sounds like a race car. Let's see how much this thing weighs. I like the rubber overmold. Feels good in the hand. Not too big, not too small, just right. You're looking at 3 pounds, 9.9 ounces, though, with its battery. People always want to know the exact specifications of these tools because they're thinking about going to pick them up. They want to know how big they are. They want to know. So we're telling you that stern to bow, this hammer drill is, look at that, 199.26 millimeters. Look at that. Or 7.84 inches. Listen, we try to be friendly for all different units of measurement around here. Width at its widest point, we're looking at 2.41 inches. And then finally, the height of this tool at its highest point, we're looking at 9.28 inches. I gotta tell you, although this is CRAFTSMAN's top of the line hammer drill offering, It is very compact in size compared to its yellow cousin and their top-of-the-line hammer drill offering. Now, if you wanted to see this somewhat compact offering go against that full-size cousin, you can go to this video here, see how it does. But I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed by this. And if you're impressed by this unboxing from Craftsman, then smash the like button. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Let us know down in the comment section below. Do you like seeing Craftsman here on the channel? Do you like the idea that Craftsman is making their tools in the USA with global materials? Do you like that idea? Were you hoping that maybe the entire contents of the bag were made in the USA with global materials? What do you think about the cells and the battery packs being assembled somewhere else and the cells being sourced somewhere and the charger being from Thailand? Does that matter to you? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe you realize that in this global economy, this global type world, that you have no choice. I don't know. We want to know down below. Get the conversation started. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.